StudyIQ IAS, अब तैयारी हुई अफोर्डेबल।
हेलो, हाँ, गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग रघुराज।
सर, actually sir, I am working with Indian Railway as a fourth grade employee, as well as I am preparation for the UPSC this year, start from this year. Sir, actually I want to ask one question, how to make notes. Actually sir, I have make a notes with PPT which given by sir, as well as follow Lakshmikant. Then notes will becomes very heavy. Then at the time of exam, how can we revise it? Sir, I want to ask this question.
Raguraj ji, is your medium English or Hindi?
Yes, sir. My medium is English.
Okay, so my suggestion first is improve your language dramatically through the suggestion that I have given. Otherwise, even if you have notes, you will never be able to write them. Okay. Secondly, I can suggest to you what I used to do. I never made notes separately. I took a basic book of every subject, and these days books are available, and added points on that. So you had only one basic book on the basis, कोई भी, चाहे आप notes किसी के ले लीजिए, एक कोई basic note बना लीजिए, note अपनी book बना लीजिए, उसमें आप हम small slips लगा के उसमें रख देते थे. And then I used to make small points of those issues. And it was easy to revise those points. Okay, so first initially you read the entire book, basic book, then you add notes from other books to this book. So जो आपके हाथ में किताब, what you are showing just now, you put it, that becomes your basic book. Which is this book? Just show me, put it in front of your camera. I can't see it. Indian Polity. Wonderful. Yes. So this is a very good book. So this itself is notes. आप notes इसके अलावा क्यों बनाना चाह रहे हैं? Why do you want to make notes apart from this? You have to make points. You have to make points so that you can remember those notes. So in a particular question, there would be number of points. So you make those points and the details are available in this book. Okay?
Okay, sir. तो सर कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट्स रहते हैं जो कि सर की पीपीटी में दे रखे होते हैं और बुक में शायद मुझे लग रहा है कि नहीं होते, या उसको इजी लैंग्वेज में बता रखा होता है, तो सर उससे कैसे फिर एग्जाम टाइम पे या तो
आप बहुत सारी चीजों की चिंता मत कीजिए. जो पुस्तक में है, whatever is available in the book, पहले इसको परिपक्व कीजिए, आप समझिए, परिपक्व कीजिए. If you understand the book that you have in your hand regarding Indian polity, I can tell you, you will be able to understand anything else that gives given to you. Okay? और कोई आपके individual specific question होंगे, तो जो हम individual session लेंगे, उसमें take up कर लेंगे. ठीक है?
StudyIQ IAS, अब तैयारी हुई अफोर्डेबल.